In this video, I'll guide you through how to update the time zone of your Flodesk account. Hey, welcome back. Today, we're talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, how to change the time zone associated with your account. This is a quick process with only a few steps, so let's get right into it. If you're running an online business and sending emails to your customers through Flodesk, having the correct time zone is important. If your account is set to the wrong time zone, scheduled emails could potentially reach your subscribers at unexpected times. Updating this setting helps make sure your account is using the time zone that works best for your subscribers. I've already logged into Flodesk, and this is the home screen. To update your account's time zone, start by going to the top right corner of the screen and clicking on the circle profile icon. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Overview. This will take you into the Account Overview section, where you'll find several different settings. After opening the Overview page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and make sure you're on Overview. Once you're there, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page. As you reach the bottom, look for the section labeled Time Zone. This is where you can view and change the time zone currently associated with your Flodesk account. Go ahead and open the time zone setting. From here, choose the time zone that's appropriate for your subscribers. You can select the option that best matches the audience you're sending your emails to. For example, you can choose the Atlantic time zone if that's the appropriate setting for your audience. Once you've selected the correct time zone, you don't need to click a separate Save button. The change is saved automatically. You should be able to see that your time zone has been updated right away. And that's all there is to it. If you're looking to update or change the time zone in your Flodesk account, you can do it directly from the Overview section through your account settings. Hopefully, you found this video useful. If it helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.